Yeah, hello, good evening. I am here again to let you know that our book launch is on the 4th of November. Please join us at Albiom Library, or you can also join us online from wherever you are, whether you are in UK, any other part of Europe, US, Nigeria, Canada, Japan, everywhere. Please join us and have the privilege to listen to the author of Ununozędo and Ebonozędo. I will also be having with me my sister Kevbę Obasoge, whose Nebo TV is going to be hosting all the videos and everything that we're going to be doing. She's going to be talking about the Benin warriors. Again, the essence of our collaboration is to teach you how to speak, how to do pronunciations, how to write ₦DO language. So we have seen that the language is a very complex one for both us and our children to learn how to read and write. But gradually and with little encouragement, I'm sure we'll be able to carry our children along. So good evening. My name's Her Excellency Professor Zuaira Doreen Usazuanowa Yusuf. I am Ni Uswanele. I am the author of Ununozędo, Kevbę, Ebonozędo. Wayabotao, Waobevene Hai, anyone Kenirowa, Kenire Derie, Ke Ibaba, Nokwa, Monoba no Rekete, Kohameya no Redu, Adovio boy Mayeki, Maya Mubimana Latia, Amewe Ebena, Emoya no even one day, Kenny wine, no very way. Then I had a bed do her. Here give a bena here gumati. Can worry me everywhere, no more big bar. Laho, even Imwegbe. Neaya Quenya, or Neaya one. Yeah, as if Ferropanuwe Goma Igba. So, why going to last if another mona one where my Mwegbe now, Maya Mwebe, Naladia on the 4th, you know, on the 4th. Avion Amwade, Vimoade, Wapagare, Dogevin Maya Benebeduna, any Maya Nanae, Okadokade. So, a benania, Kegie, Ununozędo, Kevbę, Ebonozędo, Ununozędo, Kevbę, Ebonozędo. Ya you are Haraniaga, my egi, where Ebonozędo, Emewejeme, Ebonogbedo, West Cotime, where no man of war, at 2 Wegelezedo, where Doga in the Avene Boyazedo. Benova Novezuno Dove Yasohe. Kate, we have here, leave it a cara so. Nere Bena any other book 2. Any part 2 of this book. So, I get COVID, name Yameya Aroe, a Yag Bena. So, Pina where Ima only where not a visual or online. I do a lecture in given. Ike how anywhere with that bow. Na gbowe ime ke na bere we manivie do. Ni abege culture ima, ni abege the cultural values of our language. So pa ahwe, iahwe, you know na, mari ima bo ya we aga sore do ₦DO audio. 汚abi soro ma, 汚bi audio. Ma very remember ni Toronto where hey if you to know hekeni I where oba again the man wa oba nya ke wa ya se webu eri eberi o mani ro Canada na ma fear with the no oba nya ke mana ya se do Ona ve nya kedo do se webu. I sag bori oba mana na we. So na enene be o Ununozędo Kevbę Ebonozędo. So ave karani in we ave ho we emi hia no keke no we hia rebena. So ima hia ye bena ne ani ma ya ma ebi mami okadokade ave ni vi ma ti ebe mana ni e be gwa beti se ebe ya ati ebe na ne e ado bege odogba no we ebe na o ka bori won ne je enini ati okpari ma ka bo wa ka bo gbon ka ba hwe o 쌓도 vowels. 콴DO language of my vowels, of my consonants, of my diacritic. So 콴DO vowels ini emi va ma ka bo ni ania. A vowel ro no letter O. Beni ba ti A B D A F G. So a vowel ro no a vowel O. A vowel O ni ni a va no a vowel. A va ni ni a me aye ni va ya one you there on the 4th of November ni. A vowel paro name diacritic. Ove ve ro no name diacritic. Name diacritic no ro okay ga na me osazuwa. Only a vowel O name diacritic. No me diacritic vo okay ga na me or more than me. Or more than me. Oh, you know me, diacritic. You hear only gwagbe. So pa normally we the by my Albiom library. Here la we online. Here beg when my ya in one here. Ibe donai. So nene be na here boy. Ununozędo Kevbę Ebonozędo. Ununozędo Kevbę Ebonozędo. So my live and explaining in the consonants in me. Mari one yo in the consonants in me consonants. Me we book back can make consonant a consonant already do we raw. Consonant already do ni honor 2 letters. Whereas already bonoro a consonant okpakeka e omudia. The talking man 8 consonants. Consonants imame the 콴DO language. Uwe bena mena do die wani je abo taya ni mo inemae. Ma me oni ma we kere na we pa. Ima me ma be na te enika oguero. 콴DO people we believe in our ancestors. When we call God, we call our ancestors. Please don't misquote me. You must separate religion from your cultural values and your cultural heritage. Your religion has nothing to do with knowing your culture, embracing your culture, showcasing it and projecting it. We must teach our children that our cultural values must not die. Our own 콴DO language will not be part of those languages that is estimated to extinct by United Nations. We are going to strive hard to keep our 콴DO language on top gear. Every man and woman will know 1 or 2 words in 콴DO language. By the time we finish the launching, our children will know the meaning of Enikaro. When they ask, Mom, what do you mean by Enikaro? So I tell them, well, that's my ancestors. Enikaro means my ancestors. So I will tell you Enikaro Guero. It doesn't mean that, my culture is my culture. So the essence of launching these books or writing these books, going out of our way to write 콴DO books, we are just trying to keep our language on point. We're going to do everything possible to teach our children how to read and write 콴DO language, so that our language will remain, is our mother tongue. English is our lingua franca, but this is our mother tongue, and we must do everything to keep our language. And when our children are just saying, oh, bro, bro, they'll be fighting themselves, fighting their friends. Bro, no, that's not. You can say, tell me. Call out these slangs. Like my son Fahad will always call, oh, Mercy Osunde, bro. He can say, tell me. He can say, oh, tell me no one. Oh yeah. Oh, tell me no one. Oh yeah. I mean, say it in a stylish way. If you like, use Canadian accent. I don't care, provided you respect our diacritics and you respect the pronunciations. I don't want people saying Ivie. No, Ivie is too big in Benin culture for you to pronounce the wrong way. Ivie, so you can call your child and say Ivie, A-B-U-Y. What is that? You don't say A-B-U-Y, you say Abie-U-Y. Ọmọ nabiese, ọmọ panoseohi, ọmọ panosegbe. I want to use this opportunity to thank our queen in the palace who did a birthday song for our big Baba, our Oba Eware, the Ogidiga of Benin. She sang a beautiful birthday song. She said, happy birthday, Naime. Happy birthday, Naime. You know, I mean, I also have a friend I respect so much, Joy Suzy. She calls her husband Odo. You know, after all these years of staying abroad, I thought, when I see her again, she would have stopped that. You know, she still calls her husband Odo. That's what she calls her husband after staying abroad for 30 years. So don't tell me that because you have been abroad for 30 years, your children are speaking the Edo language. You say, they don't need it. We. Una biomo wewe bo egwaze wewe ewe gwa tuoma owa bege no wa egbera owa muhuso egbera uwe eriyan ya o emona bia wewe bo ye gwa tuoma. That is rubbish. At least teach them how to speak or how to greet in your, in your, like ukunatwe. That too will help, So we'll talk more on that on the 4th.